What is going on, guys? It is Tyler here with the Coelum farmstead, and today, this whole past week actually, we've been recovering from the storm that hit us. We had a total of 13 trees come down between my private road and my grandparents' house up the road. We had 2 trees hit structures. One came down on top of their house, and we're dealing with insurance for that. And the other one came down on top of their pump house. So again, dealing with insurance for that as well. But we were able to get together with the community around here and chop up all the trees, get it processed. It took a few days, but we finally got our road cleared, and we split up all the wood that we chopped into rounds to the people that helped clear the road and have wood stoves and can use it, etc., etc. So I have now about 2 cords of wood that need to be chopped. So I have built my woodshed, as you saw in the beginning of this vlog. Put it here in the front, easier access to my driveway if I got to get the rounds dropped off from the road, and my front door, my eventual porch, and it's just a better location because there's not going to be much sun that comes through right here in the growing season because of all the trees that are going to be filling back in come springtime. So this is going to be a very shady spot, and it's also very dry underneath these pines as well, so it's going to help keep the rain off of it. But I repurposed some of the metal that I had left from the roof of building my tiny house for that, and I still actually have a couple panels left of that I'm going to use for a front little porch covered area until I can build my deck and enclose it and build my subtropic greenhouse. So much to come, but today we're going to be chopping a lot of wood. I still have to go over to my grandparents' house and finish gathering all the rounds that we have cut up over there, and we're still in the process of finishing up the new chicken coop and the new chicken run. We just have to put in some roosts and a couple nesting boxes, and then put up, I'm going to use the electric fence just as a temporary fence to get them moved to the new location until I can build their permanent fence as well. But man, we got a little thrown off track, but we're still making progress, still moving forward, and we're gonna have a bunch of branches and wood chips to throw through this wood chipper, and I think we're pretty much set for the rest of this cold season and next cold season for firewood. Anyways, guys, let's get into today.
When I wake and the sun is coming through, boy, you fill my lungs with sweetness, and you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Boy, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out. Can I be close to you? Can I be close to you? Can I take you to a moment where the fields are